Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Doughnut Mold is probably one of the most delightful kitchen gadgets for anyone who loves fresh, homemade treats, transforming your baking experience from a sticky mess into a perfectly shaped, golden brown reality, allowing you to effortlessly create delicious donuts right in your own kitchen, customized to your taste and dietary preferences, making breakfast or dessert an absolute joy for the whole family. Number 5. Bellemain Premiere 6 Donut Pan. Crafted from premium steel, this pan guarantees durability and perfect cake donuts or bagels every time. Its non-stick coating simplifies both baking and cleanup, making it a must-have for your kitchen. With a versatile 6-donut mold design, it caters to all your baking needs, from classic donuts to bagels. Its convenient hand wash care instructions keep maintenance simple, ensuring it's always ready for use. At 12.5 by 8.5 inches and 3 inches deep, it provides ample space for creating delicious treats, perfect for any occasion. Its sturdy construction and non-stick surface make it a reliable baking companion for years to come. Enhance your baking experience with this high-quality pan, designed for effortless performance and consistent results. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or a seasoned pro, it is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Say goodbye to sticky messes and uneven baking. This non-stick pan ensures easy release and uniform baking, so you can enjoy professional quality treats without the hassle. What we like. This pan is crafted from premium steel, ensuring exceptional durability and consistent results. Its non-stick coating makes baking and cleanup a breeze, perfect for busy bakers. If you are looking for a reliable, long-lasting pan that delivers perfect treats every time, you should consider this one. What people say. Number 4. Wilton Gold Non-Stick Donut Pan Set. Craving fresh donuts? This versatile set allows you to make a half or full dozen for breakfast, parties, and more. Its generous dimensions are perfect for all your baking needs. Experience reliable, even baking every time. Made from durable stainless steel, it's oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your donuts are perfectly golden and delicious. You can bake with confidence knowing it's made without PFAS. Plus, its scratch-resistant surface means it will last for many delicious batches to come. Cleaning up is a breeze after you've enjoyed your treats. This non-stick pan is completely dishwasher safe, saving you valuable time and effort. Enjoy dependable quality designed for ease of use. It features extended handles for simple handling and resists warping, ensuring it maintains its shape bake after bake. Trust in a brand with a rich history. Since 1929, Wilton has been dedicated to sparking joy through innovative baking products and education. What we like. This set offers incredible convenience with its dishwasher-safe design, saving you time and effort after every bake. It's also scratch-resistant and made without PFAS, prioritizing your health and longevity. If you value easy cleanup and a healthier baking option, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points for buying a donut mold. Number 3. Walfos Silicone Donut Mold. These molds are crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, ensuring your baking is always safe. Unlike traditional aluminum pans, they achieve non-stick perfection without any chemical coatings, making them a healthier choice for your kitchen. Experience the joy of easy baking. Your creations just pop out effortlessly. These flexible silicone pans are microwave and freezer safe, withstanding extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring they last a lifetime without rusting. This premium set includes 2 molds, perfect for engaging in fun family projects. You can create a variety of treats like regular, chocolate cake, or gingerbread donuts, fostering sharing and relaxation for everyone. Cleaning up is a breeze as they are dishwasher safe or can be washed with hot soapy water. Their flexible design makes them easy to store, even folding and bouncing back into shape. We are confident you'll love these molds, but if you encounter any issue, simply contact us. We'll send a replacement or offer a full refund, ensuring every customer is happy and satisfied. What we like. Made from high-quality food-grade silicone, these molds are naturally non-stick, meaning your donuts just pop out effortlessly. They are incredibly flexible and withstand extreme temperatures, making them versatile for various recipes. If you like the ease of silicone and want a healthy, non-coating option, this set is perfect. What people say. Number 2. homEdge Silicone Donut Molds. Create perfect homemade donuts with ease. These non-stick silicone pans make baking a joy, ensuring your treats slide out perfectly every time. You'll receive a convenient 2-pack, one in vibrant green and one in charming pink. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, they are completely safe for your family. These molds are heat-resistant, non-toxic, and entirely BPA-free. Bake with confidence, knowing you're using a safe and durable product. These versatile molds can withstand extreme temperatures, from -40 to +446 degrees Fahrenheit. They are safe for use in the oven, dishwasher, freezer, and even the microwave. Enjoy their flexibility and durability for all your baking needs. Designed for convenience, these pans are incredibly easy to use and clean. For best results, we suggest placing them on a cookie sheet before baking or moving them. Cleanup is a breeze, making your baking experience even more enjoyable. They are perfect for spending quality time with family, making delicious donuts together. Their user-friendly design encourages everyone to get involved in the baking process. Create sweet memories and even sweeter treats. What we like. These molds are made from food-grade silicone, ensuring safety and durability for all your baking adventures. They are safe across a wide temperature range, from freezer to oven, and come in fun green and pink colors. If you enjoy baking with family and want a safe, versatile, and visually appealing option, these are a great pick. What people say. No reviews available in the source JSON to extract points from. The provided source was empty, so no details could be quoted. Number 1. NutriChef Nonstick Donut Pans, 2-pack. Introducing the NutriChef Nonstick Donut Pans, designed for all your baking needs. These durable pans are crafted from carbon steel, ensuring even heat distribution for consistently perfect results every time. They resist warping and bending, providing professional quality baking with ease. Say goodbye to sticky situations with their advanced non-stick coating. Your delicious treats will pop out effortlessly, leaving no mess behind. This feature makes cleanup a breeze, allowing you more time to enjoy your creations. Experience optimal heat distribution, ensuring your donuts are baked uniformly. The well-designed molds give them a fuller shape and a wonderfully soft texture. You'll achieve mouth-watering delights every single time. Made from carbon steel with a non-stick silicone coating, they are oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, these convenient pans are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup incredibly simple. Their ideal dimensions fit all your baking requirements. Enjoy healthier baking with these PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE-free pans. Their non-corrosive and stain-resistant surface keeps your food free from harmful chemicals. Bake guilt-free treats for your loved one with confidence. What we like. Constructed from carbon steel, these pans provide optimal heat distribution for uniformly baked donuts with a fuller shape. Their quick-release non-stick surface ensures your treats slide out effortlessly, and they are PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE-free for healthier baking. If you prioritize even baking, easy release, and a healthier material, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.